Hey people, today let's make tasty and crispy veg rolls. Firstly, let's take 1.5 cup maida, 1/4 cup corn flour, add some salt as per taste, add water and mix ingredients up to this consistency. Now let's prepare sheets. For that, first apply oil to pan. Now take the batter with a brush and spread evenly throughout the pan. Now once it's done, take it off with the help of spatula and place it in a greased plate and apply oil so that sheets won't stick to each other. Now let's prepare stuffing. For that I am using chopped vegetables as shown. Now take a pan, add some oil, add some chilies, onions, give it a mix, add ginger garlic paste and give it a mix. Now I am adding all chopped vegetables as shown. You can add the vegetables as per your wish. Now mix vegetables well, add some peas, salt, little bit of turmeric and give it a good mix. Now add some dhania powder, chili powder, garam masala, little bit of amchur and mix it well. Once done, smash roughly. Stuffing is ready. Now let's prepare veg rolls. Take a pan, add oil, let it hot. Take one sheet, place stuffing at one end of the sheet. Take maida paste, spread this at corner of the sheets and pack the rolls as shown. Now rolls are ready for deep fry. Fry until rolls turn into golden brown color. Once done, take it out. Tasty veg rolls are ready to eat. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, hit the bell icon for the latest update and don't forget to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.